Good evening, everyone. Let's begin with an inspiring quote by Nelson Mandela. It seems impossible until it's done. A very special greeting to the respected Abdullah sir, honorable guest, and all the dignitaries present in this wonderful auditorium. It is pleasure to be here on the stage of 14th Global Public Speaking Championship. And today I will share about my thoughts on poverty and dreams. My name is Muhammad Amir Ansari and I am a freelance journalist. During the Delhi elections 2025, I explored many underprivileged areas of Delhi, where I came to know about the struggles and common issues faced by people. Yes, but beyond those struggles, I saw the real strength. I'm talking about poverty, I'm talking about strength, struggle, and dreams. Because I'm here to help you realize that poverty can never be a barrier between you and your dream or success. Based on what I observed on that areas of Delhi, there are two things: self-discipline and education. And believe me, these two can break the strongest chains of poverty. Now, some of you might be thinking like, I came from a very middle class background. I came from a poor background. How can I become the president of our nation? How can I become the prime minister of our nation? How can I be the richest person of the world so that I can take the best decision for my nation and to the world? Yes, I truly believe that poverty is never a someone's choice. But how long you stay in that, it is only up to you. I believe poverty may create obstacles. It may limit the opportunities. You may not have the right condition to do great things in your life. So just let me tell you about the legends from history and the real life examples. Like Lal Bahadur Shastri, the former prime minister of our nation, he led the nation with the honesty. And he came from a very simple background. We have the name Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the first president of our nation. We have the name Abraham Lincoln, the former president of United States of America. And he says the best way to predict your future is to create it. And his father was a carpenter. We have the name Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the missile man of India, Dr. Abul Pakir Jainul Abidin Abdul Kalam from Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. And we all know him by his contribution to DRDO, ISRO, and for the nuclear test of Pokhran 2nd in 1998. He used to study under the street lights. He used to sell newspapers in his childhood. And we all know him. The world knows him. He was the 11th president of our nation. If they can achieve success with the limited resources, if they can do it, we can do it too. By just lying down on the bed, by just scrolling the reels, you cannot become a great doctor, scientist, or a great leader. It can only destroy and waste your energy and time. Dr. Kalam rightly said, you cannot change your future, but you can change your habits. And surely your habits will change your future. At the end of my session, I must say, run for education, run from laziness. If you can do both, you are not just helping to yourself, you are helping to your parents, society, and the nation. If you have the vision, if you have the courage, if you have the dedication, then go for it. Leave your comfort zone now and start from where you are. Because your efforts matters more than your poverty. If you can crawl, then crawl. If you can walk, then walk. If you can run, then run and chase your dreams. By following this, you can contribute to your nation. You can make many independent societies for the welfare of your nation, for the development of your nation. You can solve most of the problems of your locality. So can we say it together? Run for education, run from laziness. If I say run for, you all will say education. If I say run from, you all will say laziness. First one is education and second one is laziness. So just let's start, make it louder, be united. Run for, run from, run for, run from. That's the spirit. as said by Bill Gates, if you are born poor, it's not your mistake. If you die poor, it is your mistake. So just rise above excuses, move forward to success, and make a note. Poverty can never kill your dreams. And I repeat, it seems impossible until it's done. That's all from my side. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Amar.